In this video, we are going to be talking about how, as an international dentist, can you practice in the United States? Can you have a license in the United States? And of course, the answer is yes. In this video, we're going to be talking about what you can do to improve your chances of getting into a dental program here in the United States. Well, to get into a dental program in the United States, you have to meet criteria. You have to meet certain benchmarks to be able to apply to a dental school. To become a licensed dentist here in the United States, you have to go back to school, an accredited dental school that accepts international dentists, to be in a program for at least 2 years. And in that program, you will be taught dental techniques and also the way that dentistry is practiced here in the United States. And after that, you could go ahead and get a license in a state that you will be practicing in. Most of the information that I will be giving you is readily available on the internet. You know that you've got to have good credentials, which means that you have to have good GPA, you have to have good schools that you went to, and you have to have national board scores that are competitive to all the other applicants that are applying to enter the dental school. Now, what is going to get you noticed by the dental admissions office? There are things that you can do as you prepare to enter the dental schools. One of the things that they are looking for is, have you put yourself in a position to learn everything that you need to know while you're waiting to get in, everything that you need to know of how dentistry is practiced in the United States. One of the things that you can do is either have experience as a dental assistant or have got into a mentorship program where you are shadowing a dentist so that you could see how dental practices are run here in the United States. One of the other things that you could do and make sure that you could strengthen your application to get into a dental school is, what type of community service have you done? These are things that you can be doing while you are preparing your application to get into the dental schools. One of the things that I'm advising people is that make sure that your scores are competitive, your GPA is competitive, your TOEFL score, which is a way to see and gauge how you are going to be able to communicate in English. The other one would be the national board scores that you have. You could go ahead and do all that, but what is it that's going to separate you from other applicants that are applying to dental schools? One of the things you got to do is get that experience, as much experience as you can, from a dental office, being a dental assistant or volunteering in a dental clinic, and make sure that you are getting yourself involved in the community where you live. When you go ahead and get invited to an interview to a dental school, you will be separating yourself from other candidates so that you have a better chance in getting into a particular school, a school of your choice, on your way in your journey to become a licensed dentist here in the United States. And make sure you click on the next video here so that we could go ahead and help you get into the dental school that you would like to get into on your way to becoming a licensed dentist here in the United States. Make sure you go ahead and click on the next video.